Chapter 3. Employee Cost and Direct Expenses. Learning Objectives. The following are the main learning objectives. Discuss the attendance and payroll procedures. Compute employee, labor, turnover, discuss its meaning, reasons, methods of measurement and cost impacts. Discuss and apply the various methods of remuneration and incentive system in calculation of wages, bonus, etc. Classification of employee, labor, cost. Employee cost are broadly classified as direct and indirect employee cost. 1. Direct employee cost. Benefits paid or payable to the employees which can be attributed to a cost object in an economically feasible manner. This can be easily identified and allocated to an activity, contract, cost center, customer, process, product, etc. 2. Indirect employee cost. Benefits paid or payable to the employees, which cannot be directly attributable to a particular cost object in an economically feasible manner. Distinction between direct and indirect employee cost. Direct employee cost. It is the cost incurred in payment of employees who are directly engaged in the production process. Direct employee cost can be easily identified and allocated to cost unit. Direct employee cost varies with the volume of production and has positive relationship with the volume. Indirect employee cost. Cost incurred for payment of employee who are not directly engaged in the production process. Indirect employee cost is apportioned on some appropriate basis. Indirect employee cost may not vary with the volume of production. Employee cost control. Employee departments and functions. Important factors for the control of employee cost. Collection of employee costs. Employee department and functions. Personnel department. On receipt of employee requisition from the various departments, it searches for the required skills and qualification. It ensures that the persons recruited possess the requisite qualification and skills required for the job. Arranges proper training for the newly recruited employees and workshops for existing employees. Maintains all personal and job-related records of the employees. Evaluation of performance from time to time. Engineering and Work Study Department. Prepares plans and specifications for each job. Providing training and guidance to the employees. Supervises production activities. Conducts time and motion studies. Undertakes job analysis. Conducts job evaluation. Timekeeping department. Concerned with the maintenance of attendance records, i.e. timekeeping and time spent by an employee on various jobs, i.e. time booking, etc. Payroll department. The preparation of payroll of the employees. It disperses salary and wage payments. Cost accounting department. Accumulation and classification of employee costs. Analysis and allocation of costs to various cost centers or cost objects. Important factors for the control of employee cost. To exercise an effective control over the employee costs, the essential requisite is efficient utilization of employee and allied factors. The main points which need consideration for controlling employee costs are the following. Assessment of manpower requirements. Control over timekeeping and time booking. Time and motion study. Control over idle time and overtime. Control over employee turnover. Wage and incentive systems. Job evaluation and merit rating. Employee productivity. Collection of employee costs. The task of collecting employee costs is performed by the cost accounting department, which records separately wages paid to direct and indirect employee. It is the duty of this department to ascertain the effective wages per hour in each department and to analyze the total payment of wages of each department into the amount included in the direct cost of goods produced or jobs completed, the amount treated as indirect employee and thus included in overheads, and the amount treated as the cost of idle time and hence loss, the amount treated as abnormal loss/gain and to be transferred to profit and loss account. Attendance and payroll procedures. Attendance procedure/timekeeping. It refers to correct recording of the employee's attendance time. Time booking. Timekeeping just records the time spent by an employee in the premises for production, but it does not show how much time a person spent on a particular job. Time booking refers to a method wherein each activity of an employee is recorded. This data recorded is further used for measure the time spent on a particular job for costing, measurement of efficiency, fixation of responsibility, etc. Payroll procedure. The objectives of timekeeping are as follows. 1. For the preparation of payrolls. 2. For calculating overtime. 3. For ascertaining and controlling employee cost. 4. For ascertaining idle time. 5. For disciplinary purposes. 6. For overhead distribution. Methods of timekeeping. There are two major methods of timekeeping. 1. Manual methods. 2. Mechanical/automated methods. Under manual methods, the mentioned two methods are used. 1. Attendance register. 2. Metal disk/token method. Under mechanical/automated methods, there are two methods. 1. Punch card attendance. 2. Biometric attendance system. Requisites of a good timekeeping system. A good timekeeping system should have following requisites. 1. System of timekeeping should be such which should not allow proxy for another employee under any circumstances. 2. There should also be a provision of recording of time of piece employees so that regular attendance and discipline may be maintained. This is necessary to maintain uniformity of flow of production. 3. Time of arrival as well as time of departure of employees should be recorded so that total time of employees may be recorded and wages may be calculated accordingly. 4. As far as possible, method of recording of time should be mechanical so that chances of disputes regarding time may not arise between employees and the timekeeper. 5. Latecomers should record late arrivals. Any relaxation by the timekeeper in this regard will encourage indiscipline. 6. The system should be simple, smooth, and quick. Unnecessary queuing for marking attendance should be avoided. 7. The system should be reviewed and maintained periodically to prevent any error. Time booking. Time booking refers to a method wherein each activity of an employee is recorded. Time booking for costing, the time spent on a particular job or activity is used to compute the cost of the job or activity. Time booking to measure efficiency, the efficiency of the employees is measured by comparing the actual time taken by an employee with the standard time that should have been taken. Time booking for fixation of responsibility, the time booked data is used to analyze the variance in time taken by an employee on a particular job or process with respect to standard time to see the reasons for the variance.